welcome back to the channel. So Boslla LEDs, they sent us a package for the Civic Si. It's some bulbs for it. We're gonna upgrade the halogens to LEDs. So we're just gonna get the package open and then get straight to it. I'm gonna try to open this with one hand. And I'm in pajamas still because it's the morning time. But that came out better than expected. Hold on. Ah! I'm trying to freaking... Hold on, let me put this down. Alright, so as you can see, it's the Bullet B1 and it's the 9006/HB4. Like I said, this is for our Civic Si. It's a 2009 Civic Si Coupe. But we're going to get this installed. Just a little bit about this bulb. As it says on the side, it's a really small bulb. It's only 1 millimeter and 30 millimeters wide, so it's a really compact bulb, and I'm really curious to see how this performs against the stock halogens. But here's all the information right here. The color temp is 6500, and yeah, it's just a set of them, so hopefully this looks a lot better because right now the SI needs this bad. Right, so once you open up the box, you have the product manual. We don't really need to look at this too much because it's pretty simple to install LEDs. But if you'd like, you have this in there. And you have the harnesses and the bulbs itself. I really like the color scheme because it's a red. Oh, let's see. Red and white. You can see the bulb right here. Super small. Can you focus? There it is. But we're going to get this on the SI as soon as possible and give you guys our thoughts. So it's going to be the install day for the LEDs from Boslla. But before that, we are going to see how the we're going to see how the Civic, how the stock headlights compare to these ones. So first, we got to check out how the stock halogens look against the garage door, so we're about to do that. Here's how the stock halogens look. We can look at it from this angle and also from the front. The headlight lens, it's a little bit foggy, but that is not super concerning when we're talking about just the output and the hue of the light. So let's just get these changed out. Just for another quick overview, here are the bulbs. They have a really nice color scheme, red and white, and we're about to take out the stock halogen, but you have to get rid of the coolant reservoir because it's in the way. So we're gonna have Calvin do the honors. Also, make sure to check out the links in the description because we're gonna have the link to these bulbs, and then all the other stuff that we use in our cars and the products we use is in the description below. Just make sure to purchase from the links and then you'll be set. Well, here's the comparison for the two. The halogen is the one closest and the LED is with the strip and the red housing. It should snap in there. So if you look in the top right corner, that little red sticking out, that's the bulb. It's actually in there. But for this next clip, we're gonna do the quick comparison between stock and the Boslla headlights. So let's do it right now. So this is gonna be the first test right now. Go do it. Wow. Looks pretty good. Definitely a huge difference because the left side is illuminating a lot more and it has a stronger hotspot, which is better for visibility, especially the further out it goes. So this was gonna be the quick installation and comparison for the Boslla Bullet B1 LED. It's the 9006 headlight, or HB4 for the 2009 Honda Civic Coupe. I'm not sure what other what other versions of this car, what type of headlight it takes, but for the Coupe, this is the exact bulbs and configuration. And just a little bit about the bulbs. They are claiming it to be the world's most minimal bullet LED. It's only 1 millimeter and 30 millimeters wide. So definitely check it out, and I'll make sure to have the link to the product in the video below. And they're also having a huge Black Friday sale, so if you have any other cars that need upgrades or replacements, make sure to hit them up. But I'll see you in the next upload.